Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through the most trendy collection of Kubera Softy fancy soft silk sarees. The material used is soft and light in weight. And about the maintenance, preferably it should be dry washed. And about the design, pretty zari woven designs are running throughout the body along with a rich border, pallu and blouse. Beautiful tassels attached in the pallu enhancing the elegance of this collection. And this unique collection you are getting in a price of 1599 rupees along with a free shipping. For placing your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. We will give reply as soon as possible, maximum within 12 hours. Also please note our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. Please do confirm the availability just before payment. Also, if you guys wanted a quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate groups for silk sarees and pure cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. Bonadear thank all of you for your consistent support and hope you guys enjoyed these collections also. Thank you for watching.